this au pays, je ne retiens pas massacre. Your children are against you, and you care from far away. Our kings are dragging us so far away. Yesterday, your country was nice and filthy. Today